finally making progress. That is the middle leg, and now I have to do this and this. Once again, we're making progress. As you can see, I have the legs and I have the side. It's going good. Okay, boys and girls, half of you are gonna go, what happened? Right, so I had my uncle come help me finish building this. All right, so this is the full L desk. All right, now normally it would just be a big desk like this long and it would be fine, but you see, I wanted this to be just PC stuff, speakers and stuff over here, maybe like my PC parts, whatever. But then this space, a regular autonomous desk would have been like this much space, right? You can see my feet in this one. And then I have like 13 inches more space this way. And I want to do like my build stuff. And if I record something on this side, that was the reason why I wanted an L desk. The other reason why I wanted an L desk is because I can mount speakers, monitor, speaker, PC, and then I could put a 48-inch OLED or a 40-inch OLED if I wanted right here. So, or if I want to have my MacBook or work on something or build a PC right here. And then my real PC is still here. From now on, I'm never doing that Zen shit I did before where I sold my daily PC that I used every day and then I couldn't buy things. I couldn't do anything, dude. I'm never doing that again. If I build another PC, it's going to be another PC. So Alder comes out. I don't know how I feel about getting an i9 for Alder because it's like, you know, the Raptor Lake i9's like 8 more big cores than what the i5 or the i7 will be the i9 from Alder. You know, so, but I'll definitely probably actually upgrade when Zen 4, Raptor Lake, Lovelace, RDNA 3, all that comes out. But that's like the end of 2022. And right now it's like not even September of 2021. So we got like 14 months. We got like 15, 14, you know, months. Anyway, this is the desk. The monitor that I'm getting is white. If you guys can guess what monitor it is. My speakers are white. My speaker stands they were gonna be black, but now they're gonna be white. Why is there a garbage bag? Because I don't have blackout blinds. It's just a blind. Now I can maybe work on a project where I build remote controlled, smart blackout blinds instead of using curtains. I might do that. I haven't decided yet, but it is a cool project. Buying a remote controlled smart blackout blinds costs a lot of money, so it would be cool if I build it. It's a lot cheaper. It's like 8 times cheaper. So yeah, I still have to do the wire management underneath this, and I still got to hook up the hammock. I got to hook up the wireless foot switch, the surge protector, but I'll be able to move my PC here and my monitors, and I'll finally have a desk, you know, like, and yeah, my chair is black, the UpLift, and it's sort of, I mean, it goes with the color scheme. It is what it is. And this is the bottom. So this is the bottom right here. These are the rails. That is the control box right there. And yeah, right now it is the lowest height because I haven't done everything. But yeah, I mean, I guess I was kind of expecting a little bit more. I mean, the desk is like okay for like, once again, like almost $1,900, but I need it like for doing everything. But right now it's, yeah, if anybody was looking for a step-by-step, I'm gonna make this really simple because I myself was confused, second guessing every single step. So 1, follow the actual instruction manual that comes with the thing. The video is for the older frame, just trust me. Me going back and forth, if there's like a tip or something that somebody has a question, feel free to ask the question and then maybe I can remember whatever the issue was. But otherwise, seriously, the video that they have that has comments disabled is not the updated frame. So that is the older frame that I had. The reason why literally I wanted to buy this one so bad is because I get this little, the board, get the accessories and all that. I feel like this company has a lot of accessories. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, we got a bug. Okay, gotta get rid of it.
Future me, here you can see the desk. I took some live photos, which are videos. Desk raised with the hammock, laptop on the desk. There you go.
Welcome to the video on the MacBook Air. Just doing some lighting testing right now. What would it look like on this desk? I am just playing around with the lighting. This is the max my Philips Hue bulbs can get. And then this is my lamp.